The MMDA defends its no contact apprehension policy, or NCAP, amid growing calls for greater transparency and fairness in its enforcement. Senators, including Senate President Chiz Escudero, have called on transport officials to review the system and ensure it protects motorists from erroneous or unjust penalties. In an interview on Agenda with Billionario News Channel, MMDA Chairman Don Artes says safeguards are already in place to make sure violations are properly verified before any fines are imposed.
Meron din po tayong mechanism, sinasabi po ng ating mga senador na kailangan i-ensure na malilinaw po ang kuha ng CCTV cameras natin at pwede po naming ipadala through email yung footage po ng pagkakahuli para po masiguro ng ating mga kababayan na tama yung panghuhuli po natin. At kung despite na nakita nila yung CCTV footage ay hindi po sila satisfied, pwede po nilang i-contest yan. Hindi po nila kailangan pumunta sa ating opisina. Pwede lang po through our website, may i-fill up silang form at sasabihin lamang po nila kung bakit tingin nila mali yung pagkakahuli.
Artes also says that the agency is finalizing traffic plans for EDSA ahead of major construction works set to begin in June, including an odd-even scheme to manage vehicle volume.
Kami po ay naglatag ng mga plano. Ayan po ay talagang dineliberate namin. Kasama po ang DOTR, DPWH. Unang-una na po dyan yung system to make sure na minimal po yung effect po at least yung traffic na idudulot. Pangalawa po, yung DOTR naglatag din po ng mitigating measures. Magdadagdag po sila ng bus sa carousel, around 100, at magdadagdag din po sila ng capacity ng mga tren para po may alternatibo yung ating mga kababayan. Lalong-lalo na po yung maaapektuhan noong pinopropose nga po namin na odd-even scheme.